There were so many things that drew me to this trip, and then in reality it was even better than what drew me.
When Hwange National Park was established in the 1920s, there were no perennial water sources within the boundaries of the park. To protect the wildlife of Hwange, rangers established a system of diesel pumps throughout the park that created water holes in the dry season. Today, Hwange boasts the largest elephant population in Zimbabwe, with over 50,000 individuals and many other species like lion, cheetah, and sable that depend on these water sources. We designed our Water for Hwange Safari to support our Zimbabwean colleagues' efforts to change over Hwange's diesel pumps to solar diesel hybrids that can pump more efficiently and sustainably. Further, we are also supporting the installation of similar pumps in the villages bordering Hwange. In this way, our guests support both the conservation of wildlife in Hwange while also supporting those living on the doorstep of this paradise. Here's a look at what you can expect on this one-of-a-kind safari.
It's good to try things exercise to find out how hard it is. It is. Yeah, take them out.
We're not doing very well, are we?
No,
I know.
It's so funny, isn't it?
Personally, myself, I feel really strongly that if we want to conserve Africa's wildlife, we have to involve Africa's communities, you know, and it's no sense just looking after the animals unless we take care of the communities who live next to those animals. And we can't take care of the communities and forget about the wildlife. So we have to take care of them side by side. And this project really did that. While we were in the morning taking care of water for the wildlife on one side of the park boundary, in the afternoons we're taking care of water for the communities that were living next to that wildlife. And to me, this is the wave of the future. As we went around implementing these projects, we at one particular village at Makeni, the whole village came and lined up when we arrived, and they wanted to thank us all personally. Every single person in that village that day clapped and cheered. For the first time in their lives, they didn't have to pump water all day long to get enough water to sustain their families and their domestic livestock. And here the solar pumps were pumping water for them, and that freed up moms and to be able to take care of their families and do more important things than just pumping water all day long.